Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Earning, where I share with you my journey of making money online. In this video, I'm going to tell you how I made my first $1,000 in just 1 month, using a simple and proven method that anyone can do. Before I start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my future videos. Also, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So, how did I make my first $1,000 online? Well, the answer is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale that you generate. It's a great way to make money online because you don't need to create your own product, deal with customer service, or handle inventory. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and some basic skills. But how do you get started with affiliate marketing? Well, there are 4 main steps that you need to follow. 1. Choose a niche. A niche is a specific topic or market that you want to focus on. For example, you can choose health, fitness, beauty, gaming, or anything else that interests you. The key is to choose a niche that has a lot of demand, but not too much competition. You can use tools like Google Trends, Keyword Planner, or Amazon bestsellers to find out what people are searching for and buying online. 2. Build a website or a landing page. A website or a landing page is where you will showcase the products or services that you are promoting. You can use platforms like WordPress, Wix, or ClickFunnels to create your own website or landing page in minutes. You don't need to be a tech expert or a designer to do this. You just need to follow some simple tutorials and templates that are available online. 3. Drive traffic to your website or landing page. Traffic is the number of people who visit your website or landing page. Without traffic, you won't make any sales. There are many ways to drive traffic online, such as social media, email marketing, SEO, YouTube, or paid ads. You can use one or more of these methods depending on your budget and goals. The key is to provide value and solve problems for your audience. 4. Convert traffic into sales. This is the final and most important step of affiliate marketing. Once you have traffic coming to your website or landing page, you need to persuade them to buy the products or services that you are promoting. You can do this by using catchy headlines, engaging content, testimonials, reviews, bonuses, or discounts. You also need to have a clear call to action that tells your visitors what to do next. That's it. That's how I made my first $1,000 online using affiliate marketing. It's not rocket science, but it does require some work and dedication. If I can do it, so can you. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my future videos.